Hi guys, this is Julian from the LandMinis3. The LandMinis3 is an NFT marketplace for the fractional ownership of tokenized real estate. It's coded in Clarity. We interact with the Stacks blockchain, secured by Bitcoin. What we are doing here essentially is listing real estate properties one by one in a selection of cities in the world. We are splitting the property in fractions and we are releasing it as a collection of NFTs. So people will be able to buy fractions of real estate as NFTs and then receive rental revenues of the property in their crypto wallet. And the day they want to sell the NFT, they can transfer the ownership of the real estate that's attached to anyone. The marketplace is quite simplified so far by the fact that it's not everyone who can list new real estate properties. For the moment, only us, the marketplace owner, can do that. We want to scale up wisely, one by one. There is lots of use case to do before we can fully decentralize this trading of real world assets. The other thing is there should not have any binding option because there should not be a lot of speculation around the NFTs. In fact, the NFT are attached to the value of the underlying assets, the real estate asset. So the NFT will be sold at the price of the real estate that they represent. This will be evaluated through an index, real estate index that should be updated every 6 or 12 months, something like that. And then, well, it's quite easy. The marketplace function as an escrow. So every time that a buyer is listing an NFT on the marketplace, the NFT will be listed for sale for the time that buyer can prove identity and provide the money in the currency that are expected. So there are two things here. We are thinking that we will sell the NFT only in Bitcoin or Stacks, but not all the cryptocurrencies for the moment. And otherwise, yeah, we want the buyers to be able to prove a valid identity. This is a bit different to most of the NFT marketplace, but because we are dealing a real world asset, we don't want anonymous buyers to own pieces of real estate. We want, like, yeah, for security reasons, our buyers will have to prove a valid identity. If you go on our GitHub here, Democracy Studio / LandMinis3 Marketplace, you will find a presentation, obviously, some visual about our identity. This is picked up from the front end that has been made on Figma template. So yeah, we have the whole platform that's now designed, and you will have an access here to the different contracts. So feel free to pull that and test it. But as for now, we will go on the VS Code so we can take a look together. Because we are dealing with NFTs, we are importing the standard templates in Clarity. It's the SIP009 NFT traits. We do the same for the fungible tokens, SIP010 NFT traits. These are templates that are importing the usual regular functions, let's say, of NFTs and FTs. And then we are creating a specific contract to our marketplace with a minting function and a transfer function. The main contracts, of course, is the one of the marketplace, which is a bit more complex. We are first assigning the constant, that's the contract owner, it will be us. We are listing the different errors. For example, when someone is trying to cancel a listing that he has not created or something like that. Yeah? And then what else? There is a whitelist that's important for security reasons, so that anyone can view and verify which are the NFTs that are available through the marketplace. But we are the only one that are able to modify these whitelists. And then, of course, there are some transfer functions. There is a listing asset function, a cancel listing function. Yeah, different things that we will check live now. So I have to jump in my folder, open the Clarinet console. Here we go. This is generating a few wallets, and which all of them are having some credits and stacks. So we will use that to simulate our marketplace. First things first, we will mint an NFT. Yes, the NFT has been minted. Then we want to verify that we own it. So this will be the get owner function. Okay, and so then we can see that the owner of this NFT is the first wallet of the list here of the console. So then we will whitelist our NFT. Yes, here. So listing the NFT on the whitelist will allow us to list it on the current marketplace. Yes, this one. There we go. And now if we check the console again, we can see that okay, one NFT which is owned by the first crypto wallet is listed on the marketplace, and everyone has his credit of money. So the marketplace, as we said, function as an escrow, and we can see that now the NFT is located in an escrow account on the marketplace. What we can do now is transfer the NFT from the escrow account to a buyer. To do so, we have to change our identity and take being another account. Actually, this will be done with this function. So I'm choosing the second crypto wallet here, address, and yeah, I'm switching identity to this one. And then what I will do is call the contract of the marketplace by asking to get it for an amount of 1,000. There we go. So the event has been edited. As you can see, there is an NFT transfer event that has been recorded for an amount of 150. And we can now check the asset map again. We will see that, yeah, 150 credits has been sent to my, so from the buyer account to the seller account. And the NFT has been transferred from the escrow account of the marketplace on the buyer account. So yeah, that's the very basic of the functionality for this NFT marketplace. There is much more. We have pieces of code, this and there, and working now of wrapping this up. We want the first app working by the end of this year to be able to encrypt the first real estate property, very much probably in Warsaw, Poland, which has very good real estate forecasting and economy forecasting in Europe. So the plan is to buy one startup co-living in Warsaw. There is a vibrant ecosystem of startups here. So yeah, that should be the first NFT release, hopefully by January 2023. So let's keep in touch and discuss all that soon. Thank you guys.